Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to show you all my storage and the stuff I carry with me. I'm currently traveling in my Chrysler Pacifica and minivan. It's also called a Chrysler Voyager if you're in the States. Today we managed to really optimize the space and we carry a lot of stuff with us. We're currently on a 5 weeks road trip. So we left all the way from Quebec. We drove all the way from there to here in Yellowstone and Grand Teton National Park right now. It's particular this year because we're traveling in May and we have both temperature. Really, we have to carry a lot of really warm stuff, but also some stuff for the summertime. So we have a lot of stuff with us today and I'm gonna show you how we managed to store everything and optimize the space. So first, we're gonna start with the kitchen. I'm gonna start with this first drawer, which is the stove drawer. So here I have my stove that I can open, and under there, we managed to optimize the space. So we're carrying all the stuff we need to cook. So our spices, tea, coffee, all the cutlery we need. Here I have a lot of tea, some knife, my handle for my pots and pan that is on the other side. We have all our fork, spoon. This is my coffee maker. Here we have our 2 bowls. And I have also like this little box to carry all my food that is retractable and in silicone.
We also have in this space like some clothes and stuff to clean.
Yes, in here.
And to do the dishwashing.
Exactly, thank you. And in here we have our pantry. So we really love to stay in the outdoor and to stay in the wild. So we carry a lot of food with us. We have 2 breads in here. So chips, of course, some milk, oil. We have a lot of cans as well. When it was cold, we really loved those canned soup that were here. So we have a lot of stuff, but this is just for the dry food, really.
We have about like 7 days to 10 days of food.
And with the fridge, that is a 40-liter fridge, we have a lot of stuff, really. So in here, we have hummus, some smoothie, some eggs that I cooked yesterday to make some sandwiches, a lot of fruit and vegetables. I have a lot of strawberries right now, hot dog, sausage. As you can see, we have a lot of food. Yeah, it's a little bit of a mess in there, but I mean, it's the reality, and that's what we want to show you today, like how we managed to store all our stuff. In here we have our sink that is retractable like that, but right now I stored some plates under here, so I'm gonna show you. So here we have some cutting board, 2 plates. We really love those pots that are for camping. So we have like 2 size pan here. So yeah, and the handle was on the other side. We carry our soap for making dishes. This soap is just ecological and it's biodegradable. Sorry, I'm not able to say this word. What's particular with this soap is that we can do our dishes with cold water, so we really love that. Coffee mug. I'm gonna show you what's on the other side. So we carry 2 water jugs that are 3 gallons each of water. I can easily take them out. And what I love about the organization tip is to have this
plastic box.
Thank you. So if I do a mess, because sometimes I forgot to close the water or anything, well, it's not like a problem. We just have to take out this drawer and remove the water. We also carry 2 tanks of propane, our tea mugs, and we have some fruits now because we did like a big grocery. So that's basically the kitchen. This is what we really love. As you can see, we love to go in like a beautiful landscape right now in Teton. It's just beautiful, and we can cook in here, just open the trunk and everything is accessible. Let's go on the other side. Here we have my clothes drawer. So as I told you earlier, we have both climates right now. So I carried a lot of gear. I have to roll my clothes so that way it takes as less space as possible. So I have a lot of layers in here. Like I think I carried, well, obviously like every trip I carry too much clothes. I think I have like 5 pair of pants and like 10 shirts and stuff like that. But what I love...
6 sweaters. Yeah. You also have 6 sweaters.
Oh yeah. And also, so what I love for a little bit of storage organization is to have those bags for my socks and my underwears, so that way I can still stay organized. And on this trip, as I told you, we hit like really low temperature. We had like below 0 temperature, and we had like below 0 Celsius temperature, and we have
but
also
in Fahrenheit, like it was below 30.
Okay.
So like there was a day it was 23, I think, for the whole day, snowing and raining.
So we hit a lot of snow as well, but also like today it's very warm. So this is why I have a lot of stuff, but everything fits in here. It's just to stay organized, so I can always access also from my clothes from the top. I'm just gonna take out the table to show you the central storage, if I can say. And
it's gonna be easier for me to get in there with the camera without the table, so it's just for the...
Yeah, and obviously
we don't take the table out to access the middle section.
And obviously Sam also have his drawer on the other side, so he's also have his space for his clothes. So you can see in the day, I really love to just put the blankets like that, and just our pillows are like that, so I can easily access the kitchen. And when I want to access this storage, I can lift this up really easily. So I just put all the extra blanket under here, so that way we can be like in the day set up, and it's really easy to access everything.
Our bed's always made.
So in here we travel like it's very cold, so we carried a very warm sleeping bag this time. It's like in duvet and stuff like that, but it takes a lot of space, and we just decided to store it there because we don't need every night. And here I have my computer bag because we are actually working on the road, so I have like my tablet and my computer in there. We carried our portable shower, as every time we carry it because we're like worried not finding shower, but we didn't use it. It's too cold outside, and we found a lot of shower. Here I have my second backpack to hike, and this is all my
extra sweaters.
So I have my duvet, my
raincoat,
thank you so much.
Soft shell.
So I cheat a little bit, and I have some space in here that I put my clothes in, but it's just right now it's very cold, so we decided to bring with us all for each shield. So for every windows we have right now our windshield cover. Sam has his computer as well, so our 2 camping chairs are here. This is our U-coat to keep us warm. This is his coat. Sam's duvet. I have like this hot water pouch that keeps us warm in the night, but we didn't use it at the end. So here we have a little game we love to play. We call it pétanque in French. I don't know how to say it in English. And here is our mosquito net, but we didn't use it. We really love to have like all of this stuff like by hand, so it's because we can access it from here. We will store all the stuff that we need like more daily, closer to this opening, and that way it's very easy to access in the daytime. The library. So here we have all our books, my drawing book, our pens, binocular. We really love to have them in Yellowstone. It was really nice. We watched wolves and bears and stuff like that. It was very handy. We have also some games in here. So in the daytime, we always put a setup as a table. We drive with the table. That way it's really like a living space. We can be very comfortable. And at nighttime, we put it as a bed. So we unfold the table, put it down, and this makes an extra long bed.
You can see all the van tour in the link below. We'll put it there. So
behind the bench, we have here our windshield for the...
Our heat shield for the windshield.
For the windshield, thank you. Yes. Our solar panel here, that is a foldable one. We're gonna make another video about how we managed to be like fully autonomous on the road energy-wise. We also put our battery here. So I told you we're traveling right now in a Chrysler Pacifica. In this van, the way the space is made, we put our battery there, and that way it's always connected to the car. When we were traveling with our Dodge Run Caravan, we put it like in the central module here, but we don't have any plug in here in this van.
Yeah, the plug was right there on the side. So
we have also our balance board here with the roll to play a little bit and to keep balance. We have also our backpack for the daytime. So this one is the main that we use, and when we go for a long hike, I take out the other backpack. So we each have one. So we put them under the bench here, so under the seat. We have our camera bag, so that way it's always like handy. We can always access it when we're on the road. So if we see like like a beautiful landscape or animals, we can photograph them. And in here, I put...
It's 2 car seat organizer that we also sell on our website. They're made by Roadloft, another Quebec enterprise, which are making really nice quality products.
Yeah, homemade by hand in Montreal, so it's very nice. So I told you, like, it's very cold. We hit like very low temperature. I have my clothes, my hat, and we also have our solar cream. If I would be like in the summer temperature, for sure we wouldn't carry this, but
it's more place for other stuff.
It's always there. We can sit easily, and I'm gonna show you the other storage. Here, it's the pocket we put all of our
dirty clothes.
Dirty clothes. So as soon as they are ready for the laundry, we put them there, and when it's full, we know that it's time to do the laundry. So in here, headlamp, little pouch with some cosmetic. I brought this, but I really didn't need it. Our speaker, this is the one we use like daily. We have our deodorant and some like ibuprofen if we have a headache or something. Our ladder if you want to light the candle. And here is really the main one. So I have like a pouch with cosmetic and like our toothbrush, toothpaste, my cream, everything basically. Some baby wipes, so this can be a lifesaver when we skip one day of shower. Other cosmetic, some medicine, and my glasses. So yeah, and also there's even like the lamp for Sam when he's reading at night.
To make sure I don't wake Laurence up.
Yeah, I like it when it's dark. This last one pouch in here, we stored all of our gear for the shower. So as soon as we are gonna take a shower, we have everything by hand. So we have our 2 towels in here. I have some hand towel if we want to skip a shower and maybe like wash yourself with that, but that doesn't happen really often. And I have like my bag, so that way I'm always ready to take my shower, and we have all of our like soap and shampoo in there.
The quarters too. Always ready.
Yes, and some soap. So he's taking always his backpack, and I have my little bag in here, so we are always ready for the shower. So that's the back. When we take a shower and we have to dry our clothes, our towels and stuff, we have those bungee cord that I put in there. So that way we can put on each side we have our bungee cord, and we can put our towels and sometimes our swimwear in there, and they can dry. So
we put the extra. You can show it like by closing a little bit the door.
Oh yeah,
we carry a lot of bungee cords.
And on the other side of the door, we carry some fire extinguisher. So yeah, so for safety wise, we never use it, but we feel safer with it.
I'll take time to show you the view we have here. So back at you now.
First here, so we told you we went in Yellowstone and stuff. So we have on each side we have a bear spray. We have this little broom, so that way we can keep the van neat and tidy. And also like here, I didn't show you, but we have this vinyl carpet, so it's very easy, like just to clean it like that.
Umbrella, we call it.
My umbrella. Here we have another stick for a camera and some.
It's a tripod.
Thank you. My tripod and our bags for the garbage. We keep all of our shoes under the seat here. Do you want to show them before I take them out?
I can try to show them.
Yeah. So I love to have this space. Like we put our shoes there because we have those WeatherTech protection. It's very easy. Like if they're dirty, it's easier to keep the van neat. So we have our running shoes here. My hiking shoes. Also have my flip-flop. Normally in the summer I would carry also my sandals, but really this time of the year doesn't need. And we have like our puffy slippers. Our puffy slippers that feels like really well like with our home. So every morning I wear them. Every night I wear them. I feel like I'm at home. It's very nice. I'm gonna show you in the middle as well. We're almost done. Here we have our solar panel. In the day we unfold them and we put them there.
It's not solar panel, it's solar light. So it's
Thank you.
They're called Lucy, so we leave them on the dash there. They're powered by a little solar panel.
Yeah, my solar lamp that has solar panel. So a map of the park in here. I don't know, it won't be like we have our toilet paper in here. Some snacks from the road and my bags to do the shopping, the grocery. In here we have some battery and some cable for the phone. But basically the cable for the phone are always in there. So we have one in the car and one in the battery. So we have another tripod for the cell phone, and here we have like other books. So we have 3 more books, and have like my wallet that we didn't use this time. So this is basically like we can also leave this drawer open to put extra water bottle or anything. We also have our hand sanitizer that is in there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope that this has been helpful. If you want to have more information, if you have more questions about how you can manage your van and how you can convert it or anything, don't hesitate to write us. And I wish you a beautiful day and hope that you have wonderful time and that you enjoy the road.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.